The first step to making a flea map involves taking your paper and having it vertically in front of you. Now that you have your sheet of paper vertically in front of you, you're going to fold from the bottom of the paper to the top. We'll align this and fold your paper in half vertically like so. Then we'll take this folded edge and mirror that step one more time, which will divide the paper into 4 equal sections, like so. Now that you've divided your paper into 4 sections, it is time to create our flea map. The first section here, this will be your introduction area, and you can take your pencil and draw a large rectangle in this folded area. As you're drawing, remember it doesn't have to be completely straight. This is just to help organize ideas. So once we have our introduction area here, we will move into the next folded area, and this is where we're going to create the space for our 3 middle paragraphs. So a cool tip is if we start in the middle here and draw a square like so, then this will give us room on both sides to add our other 2 squares. So these will be the topic sentences for paragraphs number 2, 3, and 4. And so here's, so we have 1, 2, and then our third will come over here. Notice by orienting and drawing that square in the center first, it allows you space on both sides. Now, under each of these topic sentence areas for our paragraphs, we're going to add 3 horizontal lines, and these will be used for those tell me more sentences, the supporting details that go along with each sentence, with each paragraph, topic sentence. So we'll go on this next one, we'll add our 3 tell me more sentences, supporting details here, and then on our last. Great. Now the last thing that we will do is we will add our final concluding paragraph will go here. So we'll add a large rectangle here, just like we did at the beginning, to mirror that, just as your conclusion should mirror your intro paragraph as well. Now from here, we'll add our arrows. So from our top box, we will add an arrow going from here to our first box here. Now this box and the supporting details down below are here. So this will be our paragraph 1, paragraph 2 will be these 2 combined. And an arrow going over here. This will be for paragraph 3. Another arrow here, paragraph 4, and then from this last tell me more sentence here, we'll do something called a return sweep. We'll go down and then over like so. And that will be for our 5th paragraph. And here is the black line master for a flea map. This will work for a myriad of different writing styles.